Hello, my name is Rajeshri Ashok Shirsagar. We are presenting and explaining our final year project, that is detection of diabetic retinopathy using convolutional neural network. So these are my group members.
Myself Chandranil Sanjay Thorat.
Myself Manasi Itlabatkar.
Myself Amisha Gota.
Now I'll explain diabetic retinopathy. Diabetic eye disease refer to a group of eye problem that can occur as a result of diabetes. Without diagnosis or treatment, eye disease can cause severe vision loss or even blindness. Diabetic retinopathy is one of the most common diabetic eye disease and is leading cause of blindness in people with diabetes. It is caused by changes in blood vessels of retina. Retina is a light sensitive tissue at the back of eye. A healthy retina is necessary for good vision. In some people with diabetic retinopathy, blood vessels or retina may swell or leak fluids or blood. In other people with diabetic retinopathy, abnormal new blood vessels grow on the surface of retina. At first, diabetic retinopathy may not cause any changes in vision, but over time, diabetic retinopathy can get worse. At first, a person might see spots floating in their vision or maybe notice some general blurring of. Eventually, diabetic retinopathy may cause vision loss or even blindness. There are total 4 types of diabetic retinopathy: mild, moderate, severe, proliferative.
So let us understand general flow of our project. A CNN ResNet 50 is a deep learning algorithm that uses convolutional neural network to classify images. In the case of a diabetic retinopathy detection, this algorithm can analyze the retinal images and identify signs of a condition. To train our model, 2700 retinal images are used, some with and without the sign of a diabetic retinopathy. The algorithm is trained to learn the visual features that distinguish between these two groups of images. Once the CNN ResNet 50 is trained, it can be used to classify new retinal images and accurately identify signs of a DR.
So I will be speaking about the architecture diagram of our project. First, we will be taking images which are captured through fundus camera. These images will be then sent for the pre-processing processes, in which there will be 3 steps involved. The first step will be data cleaning, where the irrelevant information which is there in the image will be removed. After that, image segmentation will be done. In image segmentations, the veins of the eyes will be enhanced, which will increase the precision of our output. After the segmentation process, the augmentation process will be started. In augmentation process, the images will be increased in number for increasing the precision of our output. After all these pre-processing steps, this image will be sent in the algorithm. In this case, we will be using ResNet 50 algorithm, where the algorithm will try to find the hidden pattern in all of these images and will give us output whether the eye will have a diabetic retinopathy or not.
Explaining implementation of our project. First page, login page. Login page is where the user will enter his credentials. Without using these credentials, no one will be able to log in. Login page. After login page, we will be redirected to main page. Main page consists of 3 options, which are DR detection, view records and logout. DR detection page. In DR detection, the user will enter the details of patients, consisting of patient name, gender, age and the date of retinal image taken. After entering the details of patient, user will be uploading the image of eye which is taken by fundus camera. After uploading the image, we will get the result, which will be showing us the result will be according to the algorithm created by us, which will show the output based on the severity of diabetic retinopathy detection. The output will be recorded in the past history page, where the user will have access to all the past records.